120, 2,113. Humanities and Social Sciences strand, Youth strand, male 171, female 147, total 480. I hereby petition the office of the school division superintendent to approve the renovation of 731 houses for renovation, which after scrutinizing their academic reports, I found that he has satisfactorily met the requirements of people to the program under the Department of Education. Hereby, they are recommended for renovation this morning. Congratulations! Thank you, Lord.
Likewise, congratulations to Bacolod City National High School administration, faculty, and staff. To all our parents and guardians, congratulations as well, and God bless us all.
Please be seated. Dear brothers, the moment you have been waiting for has finally